Hi, this is King of Review. When f of x equals ax squared plus 5x minus 2, find the product of ab, where f of -1 equals -10 and f of 2 equals b. So in this problem, we want to find out what a times b is. But in order to do that, we need to know what a and b are. We're given a function here, and we're also given a couple of input-output values here. So let's go ahead and start by plugging one of those input-output values into our function. Our function is f of x equals ax squared plus 5x minus 2. And we're told here that f of -1 is equal to -10. This means that if you plug in a -1 for x, you'll get an output value, or your y value, will be -10. So let's do that. So we have ax squared, so a times -1 squared plus 5x, so plus 5 times -1 minus 2 is equal to -10. Now we have one equation here and one variable, so now we can solve for a. -1 squared is the same thing as 1, and 1 times a is just a. So we have a minus 5 minus 2 equals -10. This gives us a minus 7 equals -10. We'll add 7 on both sides, and we get a is equal to -3. So now we know what our a value is. Now let's look at our second input-output value. They've told us that f of 2 equals b. So if we plug in a 2 for x, we'll get an output, or y value, of b. So let's do that. We have ax squared. We already know what a is, so a is -3. X squared, in this case, our x value is 2, so we have -3 times 2 squared, plus 5x, so plus 5 times 2, minus 2 equals b. Now we have one equation here, and we can solve for b. This is -3 times 4, plus 10 minus 2 equals b. -12 plus 10 minus 2 equals b. And when we work this out, we get b is equal to -4. Now we have our a and b values. The problem asks for a times b. This is equal to -3 times -4, and this equals 12. So 12 is our final answer. Thanks for watching.